Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today we are taking a look at the 2025 Yamaha TW200, a motorcycle known for its wide tires, easy handling, and go-anywhere character. This bike is loved by adventure riders, commuters, and off-road explorers for its simplicity and reliability. Design and styling. The 2025 Yamaha TW200 keeps its rugged and practical personality. The wide, chunky tires are the first thing that stand out, giving the bike a tough and adventurous look. These tires are not just for appearance, they provide real grip and stability on dirt, sand, gravel, and uneven terrain. The seat height is low and comfortable, making it accessible for riders of all sizes. The upright riding position helps prevent fatigue on longer rides. Yamaha keeps the design clean, robust, and purpose-driven, with simple color options that match the bike's outdoor spirit. Engine and performance. Power comes from a reliable 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine is simple by design, which makes it easy to maintain and dependable for long-term use. It doesn't aim to be a fast bike, but instead focuses on steady and usable torque. The power delivery feels smooth and predictable, especially useful when navigating tricky trails or slower technical riding sections. The TW200's performance shines most when exploring nature, climbing uneven terrain, or cruising at comfortable speeds on rural roads. Transmission and riding experience. The TW200 comes equipped with a smooth 5-speed transmission. Each gear shifts cleanly, allowing the rider to adjust to different terrains and speeds with ease. On city streets, the bike feels calm and easy to control, perfect for daily commuting or relaxed weekend rides. Off-road, the wide tires provide a strong sense of stability, even when moving across loose dirt or rocky surfaces. The TW200 is more about the experience of the ride rather than chasing high speed. Riders often describe it as enjoyable, friendly, and confidence-building, which is why it appeals to both beginners and seasoned riders alike. Suspension and handling. The suspension setup includes telescopic forks in the front and a monoshock at the rear. The suspension absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces effectively, preventing discomfort during long off-road adventures. Combined with the naturally dampening effect of the wide tires, the TW200 feels controlled and composed. Handling is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver on narrow mountain paths, forest trails, and even tight city traffic. Price. The 2025 Yamaha TW200 is expected to be priced around $4,999. This makes it one of the most affordable and accessible dual-sport motorcycles available. Riders get excellent durability, versatility, and value for the price, especially considering its low maintenance and running costs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is Motor Insight, signing off, and we'll see you in the next video.